Good Thursday evening, and thank you for checking out your latest weather update. It's been a nice Thursday for most of us. A few showers down to the south as we go throughout tonight and tomorrow. I think here in Indianapolis we should be in pretty good shape, staying mainly dry. The rain chances stay just south of us for the most part through early Saturday. But then the weekend comes and we will be talking about scattered showers and storms both Saturday and Sunday. Now, there's going to be dry hours each day, so don't necessarily think it's going to rain the whole weekend, but just know we will have those showers and a few thunderstorms around at times. Very humid atmosphere as well. But then we're going to see a cold front coming Monday, and that's going to usher in a big change as we go into next week. So you can see in the latest 7-day forecast, we just have a 20% rain chance tomorrow, so it's a pretty nice Friday here for us. I think if you're north of Indianapolis, without a doubt, you're going to be dry. If you're south of Indy towards Martinsville, Shelbyville, south, a slightly better chance to see a shower or two. I think here in the city, we most likely just stay dry. You can see the showers tomorrow staying just south of the city throughout the day. And then as we go through the weekend, that system will start to shift north, bringing an increased chance for scattered showers. But you can see here how it is very scattered. It's not going to be organized, one wave of rain. It's going to be very hit and miss through the course of the weekend. And then Monday, we'll keep that chance in place before things clear out here Monday night. And check out Tuesday, we are sunny and much cooler with a high in the low to mid 70s. Those cooler than normal temperatures are going to continue as we go through the middle of next week. Thank you for watching. Have a great evening.